Flywheel. Automobile flywheels, which store rotational energy and smooth engine power delivery, are primarily classified into single mass, dual mass, and flexplate types. They are constructed as solid discs or with rims to manage inertia, with material and design choices dependent on required engine speed, torque, and vibration damping. Types of flywheels. Dual mass flywheel. Commonly used in modern diesel and manual transmission cars, the DMF consists of two separate masses connected by springs, which effectively minimize torsional vibrations and protect the gearbox. Single mass flywheel. A traditional, solid, one-piece cast iron or steel disc connected directly to the crankshaft. It is robust and cost-effective but less effective at damping vibrations compared to DMF. Flexplate. Used in vehicles with automatic transmissions, this is a thinner, lighter, and more flexible disc that connects the engine to the torque converter, handling torque transmission and axial movement.